In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the front sway bar links on this Ford Excursion. Located right behind your front wheel, so let's get started. Use an 18mm socket and remove the mounting nut from the sway bar link on the bottom. Doesn't matter where you start, I'm just going to start at the bottom. If your stud keeps spinning, you can use a 20mm wrench. Hold the stud from the backside and try to take the mounting nut off this way. There it is. You might need to hold the stud from the backside here as well. All right. Take this out. And there's the sway bar link. I have the new sway bar link here. I put a little bit of anti-seize on the two studs just so it doesn't corrode too much in the future. And I also want to mention that the long stud goes on the top through the frame, the short one on the bottom through the sway bar link. Slide this through. And put the mounting nut on. Hold the stud with that wrench, 20mm from the backside, and tighten up the mounting nut. With it snugged up, let's put on the bottom one. Put on this mounting nut. Same thing, hold it and snug it up. .85 foot-pounds is the torque for both of these mounting nuts. All right. Now do the same exact thing on the other side. I always recommend replacing sway bar links in pairs.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.